So, pretty horrible weather. Pretty miserable, let's be honest. And we got like 45 minutes of sunlight left. But we're gonna see what we can film in 45 minutes or so in the rain. Let's go. Hey, what's up guys, hope you guys enjoyed that little video. Yeah, we did actually film that all in 45 minutes or so. It was actually quite a fun little film challenge to do around parkour and stuff, so I might do more of these sort of weird filming challenges around parkour and stuff, and just upload whatever we get. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, be sure to press like and also subscribe. The two previous videos on the left and right. And also be sure to check out the two channels down the bottom left, Stilton Films, who does short films and skits, and Boomerang Games for all our gaming content and stuff. And be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and whatever, there's too many to know. All under MMPK, all the links are in the description as well. So yeah, I hope you guys are having fun, even though it's really miserable weather at the moment. And as always, have fun, train safe, and I'll see you in the next adventure.